Sometimes we come across a situation where you have to subtract a mixed number from a whole number. I'm still, in the preference of setting it up vertically. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll rewrite the problem in a vertical setup. And then here's the issue. There's nothing to subtract the fraction from. So this is all that we have to do. Borrow from the whole number. This goes down to 14, and that means we've borrowed 1. Well, look at the bottom denominator of the fraction that's given to you, and just make that the top and bottom for the fraction that you're going to create, because we borrowed 1 from 15, and 6 out of 6, or 6 over 6 is the same thing as 1, so this is the 1 we borrowed. And it's already set up to where you have the common denominator, so it makes it a lot easier. Let's go through and do it the way that we've learned before. Go ahead and subtract your whole numbers. 14 minus 4 is 10, and 6 minus 5 is 1. So there's your answer, 10 and 1/6. Go ahead and try to do these two problems, 7 and 8. Pause the video, and when you're ready, hit play. Okay, let's go ahead and set it up vertically. Again, it's just my personal preference. Let's go ahead and cover up number 8 for right now, just so we don't have to look at it. And let's take a look and see what we need to do. Again, we've got the situation of there's no fraction up here, so let's go ahead and borrow from the 6. That'll make it a 5, so we've borrowed 1 from it. In this case, we look at the bottom case of the denominator, so it'll be 31 over 31. And 31 minus 22 is 9. And here's the whole number that I forgot to do, so it's 1 and 9/31. That's our answer. Let's take a look at number 8, and in fact, let's just kind of drag this over here to where we can see it a little bit better. Okay. Now that one's anchored into the 7, so we'll just rewrite the problem just like this. And here we go. Let's make it vertical. And again, we've got an issue of no fraction on top. So we'll go borrow from 22 to make that 21. This is an 8, so we'll make it 8 over 8. What's 8 minus 1? Well, let's do our whole numbers. 21 minus 19 is 2. And now because we have the same common denominators, 8 minus 1 is 7. So 2 and 7/8.